What people, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some lemon pepper wings. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So here's all the ingredients that we're going to be using today. So we've got some chicken wings, we got some all-purpose seasoning, some ground black pepper, some garlic granules, we got some ground paprika, we got some olive oil, we got some plain flour, 1 lemon, some more all-purpose for the coating, garlic granules, more ground black pepper, we got some homemade lemon pepper seasoning, we got some butter and some fresh parsley. All the measurements are in the description box below. So now it's seasoning time. So yeah, we're gonna go in with our powdered seasoning on our wings. So first we're gonna go in with our all-purpose seasoning. Make sure you're moving the pieces around. Then we're going in with our olive oil. To be honest, I was actually supposed to go in with the olive oil first, but I forgot. So before you go in with that all-purpose seasoning, make sure you go in with the olive oil first. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. You can still put it in afterwards. So yeah, now we're gonna go in with our ground black pepper. So originally I did have 2.5 teaspoons on here, but I didn't use all of that black pepper. So I would say this is around like 2 teaspoons of black pepper that I used. So now we're going to go in with our garlic granules. Now it's time for our ground paprika. Now we're gonna go in with half a lemon and squeeze all of that juice out. I'm telling you, this recipe is banging. Like, everyone in my family loved it. Like, these wings got done in like an hour. Look how juicy and seasoned these wings look. So now you're just gonna grab yourself a knife and just juke up the chicken there. Look on the chicken there, it look good, man. So yeah, now we're just gonna wrap it in some cling film and leave it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, cool. Now, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna grab our plain flour and season it up. So we're gonna go in with our all-purpose seasoning, then our ground black pepper. Remember, I said all the measurements are gonna be in the description box below. And then our garlic granules. And then we're gonna just use a fork to just mix that up. Or you can use a spoon or a whisk or any utensil that you have. So now we're gonna preheat our oven whilst we're coating our chicken. So now it's been about 30 minutes and it's time to coat our chicken. So now you're gonna grab your chicken and just coat it in the seasoned flour that we've done. Make sure the chicken is fully covered. So we're gonna give the chickens 2 coatings. So right now we're gonna go through all the pieces of the chicken and coat them and put them on another plate. I'm telling you, for that nice crispy batter, you gotta go in with the chicken twice with the coating. Like, girls, you gotta crispy it up. Anyways, alright, cool. So now all the chickens are coated. This is what your chicken should look like. So now it's time to fry it up. So as you can see now, the chicken has soaked up that first coating. Can you see it? Like, it's actually just soaking it in. So yeah, now, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with the second coat now. So you're gonna grab that coated piece of chicken, and then you're gonna go back in with the flour to recoat it before putting it into the deep fat fryer tray. If you ain't got a deep fat fryer, don't worry, you can still do this recipe. All you need is a pot and put some oil in it. Make sure it's hot, and then just fry the chicken same way. It don't matter. You don't need these fancy gadgets. So now the pieces are recoated, it's just time to put that into the oil. So I do have the oil temperature set at 180 degrees. So I did fry the chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes because we're gonna put the chicken straight into the oven afterwards. So now it's been about 5 minutes, and look how crispy these wings look. They look amazing. So you're gonna grab yourself another plate with some paper towels on it. So when the chicken is cooked, you can literally just put the chicken onto that paper towel so the oil is soaked up. However, I did let the chicken sit on top of the deep fat fryer in its tray for about 5 minutes, just so the oil can drip off. Look how beautiful that looks. That just looks amazing. Like, it just looks so crispy and amazing and just So now you're gonna grab yourself a tray with a rack so that when the chicken oil has been soaked up, all the pieces can go straight into the oven. So now all the pieces are fried. We're gonna put it straight into the oven for about 30 minutes at 170 degrees. So now it's been about 30 minutes and all the pieces are cooked, because, you know, you gotta make sure it's cooked inside. You feel me? But yes, alright, cool. So where were we? So now it's time to melt out butter. I just done it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I got an 800 wattage microwave. So yeah. So now we're gonna go in with our cooked pieces of chicken with that melted butter. Just pour it all over. So what you're gonna do is just mix it up. Like, not really mix it, it's more like fold it in, like, you know, fold the chicken. And then I went in with half of the butter first, and then folded it in. Then I went in with the remainder of the butter. Or you guys can give it a nice shake if you want. It's up to you. Do what's easiest for you. So now we're gonna go in with our homemade lemon pepper seasoning. The measurement is down to preference. As you can see, I'm just kind of winging this one, but in the bowl we have 1.5 tablespoons. So now we're gonna go in with our fresh parsley. Once again, this is similar to the lemon pepper seasoning. The measurements are down to preference, this one, because I kind of just chopped up what I thought was right. I don't feel like you need that much fresh parsley, if I'm honest, but yeah. And there we have it. Like, and look how amazing that looks. Like, I served it up with some ranch sauce, and you know, I just sliced up a couple pieces of lemons and just put it on the side of the plate for a nice little garnish. So now it's time for the taste test. The big reveal. Let's break into the chicken and just see. You know, your girl had to dip it in the sauce first. Look at that. Look how juicy that looks. It's just cooked to perfection. That tastes amazing. It was banging. These wings hit right there. Like, it hit the spot. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm literally just showing you guys how cooked to the bone these wings are. Like, you guys definitely gotta try this recipe. I can't lie, your girl was enjoying these wings still. And here's the final product. You know, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. You know, if you want to share it with your family and friends, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, you know, I'm gonna just see you guys in the next video. Bye.